baby, it is cold outside, but I'm here to help keep you warm and your stomach full with a super easy but amazingly delicious recipe for homemade Cajun chili. There are many different types of chili out there. Chili with beans, chili without beans, Texas chili. Today, we are going to focus on a more traditional chili recipe with a Cajun flair. This is going to be a very easy recipe to make, so let's talk about ingredients. We have 1 pound of andouille sausage sliced up, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 32-ounce box of beef broth, Louisiana hot sauce, 1 can of black chili beans, 1 can of red kidney beans, 1 16-ounce jar of chunky salsa, a little bit of cornmeal, 1.5 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of cumin. Let's go ahead and get our ground beef browned in the skillet. We're gonna start by adding a little bit of olive oil, throw in the ground beef, and sprinkle some of your Cajun seasoning on top. We want to make sure that the ground beef is cooked thoroughly. Once the grease is drained, then we will start adding other ingredients. We're going to add the jar of salsa and the andouille sausage. We're going to heat this up in the skillet just enough to where the sausage is warmed throughout and the meats get a really great flavor from that salsa. We're going to cook this over a medium heat. Andouille sausage is a smoked coarse-grained sausage. It is made with pork, peppers, garlic, wine, and other Cajun seasoning. Then it's stuffed and smoked again. That makes andouille sausage a double smoked sausage. We're going to transfer the meat mixture into our big pot and continue adding ingredients. This pot is on a medium-low setting while we continue to add ingredients. The beef broth, the red kidney beans, the black chili beans, the rest of the Cajun seasoning, the ground cumin, and the Louisiana hot sauce. You guys know I'm a Louisiana girl, so I tend to put a lot of this in my chili. If you don't like a lot of heat, cut back on it. Stir it all up real well. You notice we did not add the cornmeal yet. The cornmeal is going to be used as a thickening agent, so we'll just add a little bit of that as we see that we need it. Everything is heating up very nicely in our pot. I'm going to go ahead and add a pinch of cornmeal. In case you didn't know, February 24th is National Chili Day, so make sure that you keep this recipe handy every February. Go ahead and add the cornmeal as you see necessary. Some people like their chili at a different consistency, so just make sure you get it to the right thickness that you or your family desires. We let our chili cook about 30 minutes on a medium-low heat. Now, this is our final product. You can garnish your chili with a ton of different things. Maybe you like sour cream, cheese, fresh parsley, diced red onion, fresh jalapeno. Whatever it is that you choose, go ahead and add that to your chili and let's taste test. Fritos, saltines, club crackers, whatever it is that you like to dip with, let's do it. OM goodness, that is amazing chili. Go ahead and warm yourself up with a fresh bowl. If you haven't clicked the like button, click it now. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. And stay tuned for another great episode of Cooking with Candace.